Roll again.
Come on, give us a hard place or
Look up.
Yes.
Hey, hard
Holy
place.
shit.
Winning money as the party train is moving out.
Pick a character. I was gonna go with Dog. I like
That's
that.
good. I do too. Yeah. Now pick one. Yeah.
10x multiply.
Please. Yes. Yes. That's fucking awesome.
Roll again.
Roll the dice. Hopefully roll a 2. I doubt it, but.
Look up. Income tax. I hate taxes. Now we're moving.
Come on, give us another re-trigger on the bonus.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
This deck doesn't. Now you pick one.
Oh man.
Another bonus. Yes.
Roll again. Look up. Vermont Avenue. Re-trigger spins. Now we're talking.
Pick one.
Looking good.
Pick one. Come on, 10x. Yeah.
Mystery prize awarded. Select any chest.
Oh, this might be a good one.
That train keeps a rolling.
Holy shit. 4650.
Oh my god. You better walk away with that money.
I know. Can you fucking believe that?
Oh my god.
I tell you, that's why I told you that this is one of the few good games on this.
Good job.
I can't believe that.
That's awesome.
I know. Here, pick one. On the trigger spins. It won't say anything else. Pick now.
Stupendous.
Thank